So if you look at this rocket over here, everything from the bottom all the way to the top of the orange in the middle is built over here at Mishu.
Nunez Community College has organized an Aerospace Technology Day for our students. What they're doing is learning how to fasten plates together in the same way that aerospace technicians do for spaceships.
We have 20 students, really, from local high schools here in New Orleans, coming to Nunez Community College to get some training and get an idea what becoming and what being an aerospace technician is all about. And the reason that's important is because in New Orleans East, just 10 minutes from this campus, we have Mishu Assembly Facility, which is a NASA facility for decades. And it's known as America's Rocket Factory. That's because it's been part of every single manned mission that NASA has ever built.
This right here is the final project at Boeing. The only difference is it's a curved plate, but everything else is very similar to what you just did today. That and the nuts.
You have two pieces of metal. They're shaped as a square. Yeah, gotcha. They're shaped as a square. So one is already cut out and one we had to drill. One we had to drill 4 rows of 4 circles in. Right now we clamping them together and we're just putting them together, filing them up.
It's so important to continue to build within our high school students the STEM skills. Because it's not only the actual science, technology, engineering, art, math skills, but it's also problem solving and critical thinking that goes along with solving real world problems. And so teaching students that thinking process will be a skill that they take with them no matter what field they go into.
I'm having a lot of fun. It's a good experience. It's a very good experience to have. I love working with my hands because since I was younger, I love working on cars. And you know, cars and this, it aligns perfectly.
It's important for us to partner with organizations like Nunez Community College and for students to get this hands-on experience, because a lot of times when they think of STEM, they think of the math that might be involved, but there's actually a ton of careers where it's very hands-on and it's fun. My hopes today is that they, one, have a better appreciation for the technical skills that are involved in aerospace technology, but also they can kind of connect the technology that happens on spaceships to everyday life.